Right, so in this video, we are going to talk about lines and spaces, or space notes and line notes, if you like. Okay, so I've decided to make an extra video. I know they talk about it on page 25, but I thought I'd draw them in to make it a little bit more obvious for those who look at that and go, what's that all about? So this video is going over what it means to be a space note or what it means to be a line note. Okay, so I thought maybe some of you might want a video on what space notes and line notes are, and that's a good question. Okay, so I'm going to use my beautiful primer level book underneath just to support here. Okay, so space notes will sit between the two lines of the staff. So I can have a space note here. When you have a space note, you can see the face of the note. It sits between the two lines. There's another space note here. There's another space note just there. And also, this would be a space note, okay? And this would be a space note, okay? Because it doesn't have any lines cutting through it. They're all space notes, okay? And you can do the same for the bass clef underneath. But I'm going to use the bass clef to do the line notes. So a line note is anything that has a line cutting through it. That's a line note. That's another line note. Another line note here. They do show you the line notes and the space notes in your book. And guess what? Our beautiful cat with, these are all line notes, by the way, and these 5 line notes, you can also put them in the treble clef. But what a lot of students don't know is that our special cat with the hat that we've seen that goes in the middle here is also a line note, because he has a special line cutting through the middle. So these are all line notes, whether they have the big long lines of the staff or they have the little short lines. And we use these little short lines when we run out of room on the 5 lines, because there are a lot more notes than what we can fit onto these 5 lines. And when that happens, we start to use these little lines for all the notes that sit outside. Okay? So how did you go? It should be super easy. I'm thinking I'll also attach the sheet to this lesson and to this video. And if you like, you can draw your own space notes and line notes, okay, for both, and have fun doing that. So it'll give you more of a visual yourself, you know, of what space notes look like. That's actually a good activity. And then what the line notes look like. And have fun drawing them for yourself, not just watching me on the video do it all the time, okay? Maybe do that and have some fun doing your own line notes and space notes. And then you can send me a photo. I can see your beautiful artwork. Maybe you can do them in rainbow colors going up and down. It'd be beautiful.